it doesn't pull harder or anything like that, I've done 2 massive upgrades, then it's definitely an issue with the tune. When you give it a little bit, it does sound pretty good though. I'm gonna put you on the suction mount somewhere and see what it sounds like. We gotta go get gas before we do a rip. So far it's idling really good. Everyone says that you can't idle with the 288s, so we'll see how that goes. Sound a little different. Still having those same type of issues with the tune where I shift it like does a stutter. Coming to an idle great. Definitely feels like I have more power down low, which is kind of weird. That could be from the intake manifold. That also could be from the air leak I fixed. To get a rip under somewhere. Alright, so this will be a decently full pull. Sweet. Lost my gas pedal. Gonna fix that. Should be easy. Good thing it wasn't on 95. Good to go. Just popped off of the cable or the throttle pedal. I killed that full pull. What to do in a second now. Feel a little stronger up top, but still not fast that I'd want. Let's hear what the two-step sounds like. Time to listen to it. I wish it would have been a more rowdy noise, but it definitely does seem to pull better in the higher RPMs. And I had no issues with idling. I know that's what a lot of people are worried about, is the issues idling. Zero issues. But again, this is a chip-tuned car. We will we'll be putting it on probably a micro squirt, and the idle should get pretty choppy like I actually want it. It's sounds really close to the 276s. We'll have to see on the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.